Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Store Management System. Nowadays people don't have time to go stores and buy the products in different places. So that we have proposed this store management system. Through online, the people can buy the products by selecting the categories and the products. So this is the flow diagram of the website. Here we have three modules in this website. Those are owner, manager and also employee. First of all, owner will log in into the website with login credentials like email address and password or username or password. After entering into the website, the owner can add and view the managers to the website. He can add the managers with the manager name, email address, password, address. By using all the data of the managers, the owner will add the managers to the website. After adding the managers, the owner can add the stores to the website by adding the store name, location, and the store email address. The owner will add the stores to the website. After adding the stores, the owner can view the stores in the view store page. After adding the stores, the manager will log in into the website with the email address and password. After entering into the website, the managers can add the categories to the website, and based on those categories, the manager can add the items and view the items in the view items page. After adding the items, the manager can add the employee and view the employee in the same page with the employee name, email address, employee ID, and employee address. By using all the data of the employee, the manager can add the employees to the website. After adding the employees will log in into the website with the email address and password, and employees can view the items which are added by the manager, and employees can add those items to the cart and view the items in the view cart page. So after viewing the cart, the employees can generate the items into the website. So after generating the items, the item status will be changed as ordered, and these all sales items will be viewed in the view sales item page, and these view sales also can monitor the manager. So we'll get into the website and we'll see the output here. Here the owner will log in into the website with username and password. Login. So this is the home page for owner. So here the owner can add the managers to the website. Add manager, manager name, manager email address, manager phone number and password, ID number, address. So by clicking the register button, the manager will register, added. So the managers can be viewed here. The owner added manager is, and by clicking the add store button, the stores will be added to the website. Pmart, phone number, location, email address, and password. Add store added successfully, and we can view the store in the view store page. So after adding the stores, the owner can assign the manager to this particular store. So here we have only one manager, so we are assigning the store to this manager. So assign logout, and we'll get into the manager email address and manager phone password. By clicking the page here, the manager profile will be displayed here, and after entering into the home page, the manager will add the categories. So this is the category name, store, choose store, add, added categories. So here the items, we are adding the items here. Green process, item name, price, quantity, choose profile. So picture and add item. Item added successfully. View items. You can view the items here in the view items page. After adding the items, the manager will add the employees to the website. So I'm adding the employee. Email address, phone number, ID number, password, choose mart, store chooses Hyderabad, add employee. So after adding the employee, we can view the employee in the view employees page. So this is the employee information, and view sales, we don't have any sales. So log out, we'll log in into the employee. So employee email address, employee password, login. This is the employee profile. So view items. After entering into the website, the employee can view the items by entering the quantity here. The employee can add the items to the cart. Add to cart, item added to cart. You can view the cart by clicking the view cart button. Here we have two buttons. If they want to remove from the cart, they will click on the remove button and remove the item from the cart. And if we click on the generate button, this cart will be this cart status will be changed as ordered. So I'll click on the generate button and the status will be changed as order, and this will be displayed in the view sales items. So log out from the employee and log in into the manager, and this operation will be manager also monitor these operations. So password, view sale items, this is the sale items. Here also the status will be changed like this. This store management system will be worked. So this is the store management website. Hope you guys all understand. Thank you.